Hello everyone, bonjour les amis, and welcome to Enjoy with John. Today we're gonna go for another great restaurant. We are still in Kamala Beach, and we're gonna go try a burger, supposed to be the best burger of Kamala Beach. So please follow me, welcome back, and there we go. We are just in front of the restaurant now, Big Boys Burger Club. And there you go, Mr. Luke is here today.
Mr. John,
how are you, Mr. Luke?
Yeah,
Thank you so much for being my guest today.
You're welcome.
For this second video of Enjoy with John. How are you feeling? Are you hungry?
I'm starving.
Ah bah super. Eh bah, here we go. Let's go check this Big Boys Burger Club. Sawadika. Sawadika.
To our little place, Big Burger Club in Kamala. Welcome.
Thank you so much for welcoming us.
Yes.
Your name is Kunmon, right?
Yes, my
Good
name
man.
is Mon and this is my daughter.
Ah, your daughter, Chanika.
And also,
And-
here's my Miss Dolly.
And your husband?
Yeah.
Ah.
Dolly.
Hello, how are
Yeah.
you? He's the chef.
Yeah, did the chick too.
He's the chef, and okay, very nice. Would you have a few minutes for us to ask you some questions?
Yes.
Perfect. Can we sit over there? Allez, let's go. And then you decided to open this restaurant with your daughter.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah, Sawadika. So she's the one who's gonna cook the burgers today for us.
Yes, sure.
Okay. Beautiful cook in the kitchen, huh? Same like the mom, huh? Voilà. Okay. Okay. Would you say that you are the best burger in Kamala?
No. We are the best burger in Phuket.
Oh wow, that's interesting. Oh la la, there's a lot of pressure now, huh? Luke,
Yes?
did you see anything interesting in this menu?
Actually, all of them.
Yeah, I agree with you. Huh? So,
I like classic things like as a burger.
okay.
Maybe Simon got some recommendations.
Yes, yes. I
Can you
would
recommend? Please,
you
please.
guys.
Sure.
This is our best seller. Signature.
The
cheese
big boy,
and
yeah.
The big boy cheese,
That's
cheese and
the name
bacon.
of the place.
Yes, yes,
Alright.
and also the weekend one, holy moly.
The
Right.
holy moly
Yes.
for vegan option.
Yes,
Ah, very good.
yes.
So the people who don't eat
Yes,
meat, they can come here
Yes.
also and have a burger.
yes.
Very nice.
All
Voilà.
right.
The burger menu, basically, you can see. Nice presentation with photos. Voilà, so you know what you're gonna eat, and they also have some sides like fried calamari, chick popcorn, chicken wings, and of course you can add some toppings to your burger. Voilà. So you're gonna cook for us?
Yes.
Yes. Can I come with you?
Yes.
Okay. Alors, please. Alors, we are now in the kitchen of Big Boys Burger, voilà, as you can see. And I'm with Poom right now. Hello, Poom.
Hello.
Hello, voilà. Poom is gonna cook the burgers for us. Voilà, so we're gonna show you a bit the preparation. I am in the kitchen of Big Boys Burger, and I can tell you that the smell is very good. everything looks yummy. Right, Luc?
Sure.
Sure. Okay, voilà. We are about to try. We will let you know what we think about it.
There is also onion rings on the top. It's like amazing. Not usual. It's like a signature. Cool. They just bring us the blue cheese sauce, man.
Nice. Sweet potatoes inside blue cheese sauce.
Une fois with that.
Oh, I'm full. What about you? Good?
Full too, yes.
Did you enjoy it?
Was great, man.
Which one did you prefer?
Actually, I really love like beef burger.
Nice.
And vegan was really
The game was
interesting.
very interesting. I agree. Yeah. What do you think about the overall quality, the taste, the presentation?
Great.
Nice.
Really signature burger. Small environment.
Okay.
Kind of family style, you know. And great place.
Nice.
Will-
Will you come back again?
Of course, I will.
Okay. And me too. Voilà. Oh look. Oh la la.
On your house.
On the house.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So nice of you. So
So
healthy.
nice guy.
Thank you very much.
So nice.
The final touch.
I like the balance between a very juicy and fat burger for big boys and a very healthy mango. I like the contrast.
Here we go.
Nice, huh?
A fresh, nice.
Bon, I'm sure we will have some space for this.
Alright, here we go.
Allez.
Go ahead.
Thank you very much, Mon, for your welcome and for the great food today. Thank you. We enjoyed very much. We would like to recommend your great burger restaurant to the people. And we'd like to know if there is something you would like to offer for the people who will watch this video.
Okay. I would like to offer for you.
You would like to offer one drink,
Yes,
one soft
yes.
drink
Yes.
for the people who will come?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
so guys, if you come to Big Boy's Burger in Kamala and you said that you watch the video of the restaurant by Enjoy with John, Goodman would be very happy to offer you one welcome drink. Any promo code? Any special name?
Yes.
Ah.
Miss Dolly?
Miss Dolly.
Yes.
Miss Dolly will be the promo code. Voilà. Thanks to you, many people are gonna get some free drinks. Huh? You happy? Voilà. Okay. Thank you so much and see you very soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed, Luc, Mon, the owner or her daughter who cooked fantastic burgers today, please like the video and more important, subscribe for more episodes coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching Enjoy with John. À bientôt. Bye bye.